Children, till last class we learnt about to solve the linear equations and applications of linear equations. Let's see the next topic, solving equations having the variable on both sides. That is, the variable having both the sides of equal sign, left hand side also and right hand side, both the sides. If variable comes, how to solve the equations? That is, solving equations having the variable on both sides. Let's see the next exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations and check your results. So we have to solve the equation, and ourselves we can check whether did we solve the equation correctly or not, whether the x value is right or wrong. See, what is the topic? Solving equations having the variable both sides. See, left hand side of the equation, that is left hand side of the equal also variable you have, and right hand side also you have. So if you have the equation like this, very first step, you bring the variable terms one side, variable terms you keep one side, constant terms you keep another side. Variable term in here, variable term x term. So let's keep the x terms left hand side, constant terms right hand side. Listen carefully. So now we are going to keep the x terms left hand side. Already left hand side x term is 3x. So we are bringing this 2x because we are going to keep the x terms, variable terms one side, that is left hand side, constant term right hand side. So you are going to keep the 3x left hand side only. This 2x from right hand side you are going to bring. This is plus 2x only. Plus is hiding here. So when you bring, it becomes minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x equal to, right hand side what remains? Just 18. So both are like terms. So 3x minus 2x, 3 minus 2, 1. That is x equal to 18. So what is the value of x? 18. We solved the equation. We found the value of the variable 18. So let's check whether is this right or wrong. So take the equation 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Let's substitute this x value. X value to the x value 18. Let's substitute this x value 18 into this equation. So here 3x, 3 into x, 3 into 18 equal to 2x, 2 into x, 2 into 18 plus 18. So when you simplify, 3 18s are, the next step given right hand side only children, 3 18s are 54 equal to, left hand side answer 54 equal to 2 8s are 30, 2 18s are 36 plus 18. Are you getting the LHS and RHS same or not? Hence it is correct. So we solved the equation correctly. Second question, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So what is the variable given here? T, and variable is presenting both the sides or not. So we are going to solve. How do we solve, children? By keeping variable terms one side, constant terms another side. Now we are doing variables left hand side, constant term right hand side. No, even we can exchange. Constant terms we can keep left hand side, variable terms we can keep right hand side. Anyhow we will have the solution same. So now as usual we are going to keep the variable term left hand side only. Left hand side, which one is the variable term? 5t. Let's keep that 5t as it is. Then from right hand side we are going to bring the t term. Which one? 3t. It is plus 3t. When you bring here it becomes minus 3t. Likewise, the variable term we finish. Then we are going to keep the constant terms right hand side, only the numerical values. So already right hand side minus 5. Then from left hand side, because 5t only are keeping, then minus 3 remaining. No, that minus 3 you send to right hand side. See children, what are we doing here? We are keeping the variable terms left hand side and we are keeping the constant term right hand side. So already left hand side 5t. Then from right hand side we are bringing the plus 3t. It is becoming minus 3t, because it is coming from right hand side to left hand side. Then right hand side 5 minus 5, we are not disturbing it. Then from left hand side we are bringing that minus 3, it's becoming plus 3. What are we doing here? Variable terms left hand side we are keeping, and constant term we are bringing right hand side. Now let's simplify. Like term sorry, 5t minus 3t 2t equal to, here unlike subtract greater number sign, minus 2. So now we receive 2t equal to minus 2. Again we have to send this 2, so it will become under division. So both will be divisible by 2. We are getting minus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1. So solution becomes minus 1. So we solved the equation and we found the value of t is minus 1. So let's check, because the question is solve the equation and check. So we are going to check. Let's take the given equation, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So let's substitute this t value into the given equation. 5 into t, 5 into minus 1, minus 3 equal to 3 into t, 3 into t value minus 1, minus 5. We are substituting 5 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to 3 into t value minus 1, minus 5. So first let's multiply. 5 ones are 5, plus into minus minus. 5 ones are 5, so minus 5, minus 3 left hand side. Then plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3, minus 3, minus 5. Simplify children. Like sign, add, common sign, minus h. Here also like, add, common sign. So LHS equal to RHS, hence it is correct.